Hello everyone, this is Ross with Market Traders Daily, and this is today's video analysis for December 12, 2019. Today we're looking at the USDCHF, the US dollar versus the Swiss franc for today's trade analysis. Over the past few days, we've been discussing the range that the currency pair has been in for quite a while. We're looking all the way back to let's see, this vertical red line back into September 6th. The black box there shows the market bouncing around between the pink zone at the top near the 1.0 level, orange zone at the bottom multiple times, finding support and reversal to go back up around the 98.50 or so level as it bounced to go back up. With the sell-off of the USD yesterday, we see the market breaking through the bottom of that range, which could lead us to a stronger downtrend move now that we're through those support lows that have been holding the market up for such a long time. Now that we're through there, we'll continue to focus our efforts in the downtrend, looking for selling on rallies into resistance. Let's just take a quick trend line, something like this, and again, there's our downfall that we've seen over the past couple of days, and again, with the breakdown of that orange shaded area into the mid 98s, 98.55, 65 is that orange zone, 98.40, 30 is the green zone. With the breakdown of those historical supports, we're now looking at them to become our resistance targets on the way down, targeting back down to the 9800 level or even lower into the 97s for the dollar franc. So selling on rallies into resistance under the black trend line will become our theme until something changes. What that means is we also are looking for the dollar to continue its downfall that we've seen over the past couple of days now as well. If the dollar suddenly reverses and rallies again, we could see this turn and head back higher once again as well. So we'll continue to focus our efforts in the downtrend, knowing that all the while it could eventually turn back higher. Let's take a couple of fibs. Let's take Fibonacci from the low down here to the most recent resistance high, which is this high right here, into the 1.0027 level. Fibonacci of that range puts the 50% at 98.43, 618. Just about 9800, 9800 is the 618 just underneath the pink zone, and deeper levels 786, 886 down here into the mid to low 97. So there are some further levels lower if the market continues to pressure down as it currently is. Let's zoom it in one time and take Fibonacci of the high of the black trend line down to today's low. Doing that, the 236 Fibonacci retracement level, 9860 is the orange zone. So we know that the orange zone has the potential to be a resistance on any rally into it. Historical support becoming resistance, not too difficult to see that. Currently, the green zone holding as our intraday resistance today. If the market doesn't go back up any, if it doesn't retrace any, that could become our intraday resistance. Looking at the pink zone as our next support, 98.15.05. Let's just take it on down to the 4-hour time frame, and as you get down here, you can see similarly what we were talking about here. You can see this little bounce into resistance right here. Yesterday, it came back up underneath that resistance yesterday, and the sell-off of the dollar sends it lower. So here we are again today with a similar scenario where it's bouncing up into the green zone. So again, as long as it's under that green zone, I don't think really this becomes a long opportunity. We're under that as support, or sorry, under that as resistance, and this does not become a long opportunity, just like what we were looking at here at the orange zone yesterday. Not a good place to go long, but potential opportunity to go short there, targeting the lower levels as it continues to go down. So if you're looking for an opportunity today, 98.30.40, the green zone, is a resistance target. For potential sells on rallies into resistance, look for the dollar to continue to hold under resistance as well. The risk at this point is that it gets above the green zone and maybe rallies back to the orange shaded area where it found its resistance yesterday. So looking at resistance green zone for a potential fall back down to the pink zone or lower. Of course, a breakdown of the pink zone, we could look for further efforts lower for the dollar franc today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.